Welcome back, Popos! It's time to get hyped for the Phantom Pain. Although I'll probably never be able to play it because my PC can barely handle this. And I don't have a PS4. But that's not hype for the Phantom Pain, that's me bitching. So let's just fucking pick something and go. Yeah. Alright, yeah, I've seen this. I've seen this!
Use your binoculars to recon the area.
That was my gun. Alright, there we go. There we go.
What do you see?
Nothing.
Press
It's
the call
safe.
button.
Nope, stay down.
Horizontally left or right.
What?
If you do that holding
Oh,
the dash
yeah,
button,
that's a light.
you'll
And
move
it's gonna
faster.
shine on things. And I'm glistening. Look at my butt. I can do this. I can't do this. I can't do it. Why isn't he doing it? Nope, I didn't mean to do that. Roll, bitch. I gotta figure out how to roll. Hold on. I don't know how to roll. Fuck! Fuck! It's not rolling. That's a dead end. It's a very dead end. I'm just gonna do this. Abort. Abort. Mission over. I need help. I need immediate evac. Alright, I'm good. Good. They'll never find me down here. Oh.
If you do that
Wait.
holding the dash button, you'll move faster.
Yeah! Dash button, that's how you do it. Whee! Oh. What? Alright, I'm ready this time.
Keep low.
I'm ready this time.
You can check the controls on the pause screen.
Shit! Shh. What? Oh. I'm gonna have this date memorized in, like, an hour.
This is an infiltration mission. You've got to stay out of sight.
I'm infiltrating!
Further, use your binoculars to recon the area.
Well, I missed.
If you do that holding the dash button, you'll move
They'll never
faster.
find me. Alright, let's be smart about this. Fuck! Bam, bam, bam! No, nothing. Alright, back to the hiding spot. Back to it. Except this time, don't drop. Whee! Oh, shit. That might be an issue. Come on, I want to get back to sneaking. Or start sneaking. One of the two.
CP, this is Delta 6.
I'm ready.
Eyes on enemy. Check
Get up. Oh, wrong.
This is an infiltration mission.
Is it?
Got to stay out of sight.
Is that what I'm supposed to be
Before you
doing?
go any further,
We
use
sure
your
dropping off a
binoculars
cliff
to recon
isn't my
the
mission?
area.
Because I'm really fucking good at that. Let's make that the objective.
You can check the controls on the pause screen.
On the PAS screen. Alright, don't turn this way. Don't turn
Press
this
the
way.
action button.
That's really how I was supposed to do that? Shit! So he heard me coming. Maybe I can distract him. He's over there! That way! Oh. That worked? He's in there! That way! Maybe they'll see the magazine and think that I'm actually over there. It's pointing them to where Snake can be found. Near those tents. Shit! I still just have magazines out. Fuck! Just, yeah, no. Whee! Can't swim like a dolphin? I guess my name is Naked Snake. No, it's Big Boss. Dolphins can be bosses too. Alright, there's a jerk there that's gonna spot me. And if he doesn't,
What do you
they're
see?
gonna spot
Press
me.
the call button to
And
get more
if
intel.
they don't, well then, I don't know. I'm gonna try to jump that fence.
Keep low. You can check the controls on the pause screen.
Yeah, that was a good effort.
If you ready your weapon,
You know what?
You don't. You didn't. Oh, okay. Somebody did something. He's over there. Decoy. He's right in front of you. He's gonna. Oh. He's gone. He's not an issue anymore. Just leave him alone. What? What? There's a thing? What? A patch? That's Fox backwards. That was painful. Oh! Hey, you didn't tell me you saw me! Fucking jerks. Do they know I'm here? Oh! Hey, hey. He's over there. Shit. Is it safe? I'm gonna stun him. Shit. Am I even hitting you? No, he's fine. He just felt asleep. You will too, bitch! Please tell me that's not my suppressor dying. No, wait, that's built in! But ammo isn't? Shit. Fall asleep! Fuck! You feel asleep too. Come on. No, don't do that. All my hard work. There we go. What about the jerk up there? Is he asleep yet? I know you're tired. Oh, no. Is that gonna wake them up? Let's at least get inside. Let's do that. Oh, okay, they unlocked it for me. You know, because I had to go through it so many fucking times. What are you talking about? Nobody broke in. We're fine. Reload, reload. Not that I'm gonna need it, because I'm gonna sneak past them, right? I mean, ugh. No more slippery butt shots. Alright, maybe one more. Is that it? I'm gonna mark it. Shit. Am I sure that's what I was supposed to mark? No. No, it was not.
Marker placed.
I don't need crutches. I just like using them. So they were still searching for me, and one of the guys just passed out. It's rain exhaustion, and you got it too! Yeah, rain exhaustion. And, oh, that's a somebody. That is a somebody. Get in. Do they have cameras in here? Because I remember cameras in other games to stop people like me from doing shit like this. Ha. The past isn't futuristic enough. Gimme. I have another infinite magazine. Fuck me. Somebody found out. Shut the door. Shut the... Fuck. No, you didn't. No, you didn't. You saw that. I don't know where that came from, but you should probably go check it out. He's over there. Shit! Just get inside. Just get inside. Oh, I don't think he saw you. This will help. I don't need to take it off. It's fine. Stop it! Oh shit! I just found more. All right. All right. Well, I might be onto something. This is how you sneak. That's a grenade. Ow! Ow! Where was my checkpoint? Shit. That is a light, and I'm walking right into it. All right, let's just take this fucker out. He's in shelter, but he's still got rain exhaustion. I said he's still got rain exhaustion. How much tolerance does he have for this shit? What do you do in your free time? There you go. Yeah, he's gonna wake up in a month. Good thing I stopped him with the light and the, you know, advantageous... Nah. It's fine. Ha!
Those tranquilizer rounds are only good for putting your target to sleep. They won't help you break anything.
Damn it. Whoa, that was actually a good call. That's an empty magazine. Well, yeah, throw it to where he's right in my path. That's a good idea. Now... Oh, who... Where? Nope. Nope. Good aim. Good aim. Yep. There we... Oh, shit.
You should move the bodies of
I'm
enemies
actually doing
somewhere
this
out of sight.
like a boss. There, yeah. I just absorbed your gun into my butt.
Fucking bullshit!